Lenovo Mobile Recovery is likely to catch your eye. Well, please focus on this quick guide to learn the 4 most recommended methods to recover data from your Lenovo phone. Option 1. Cover data from Lenovo Mobile via local backup. Have you ever run a backup of your Lenovo data locally? You can do it by going to Lenovo Settings and Backup and Restore or Reset Backup. If so, you're empowered to retrieve your lost files without Lenovo Data Recover software. Option 2. Cover data from Lenovo phone via Google account. With a registered Google account, you can get into your Lenovo phone settings, backup, and reset Backup My Data. This will create a cloud backup of your device's call history, app data, and other info via Google. Option 3. Retrieve Lenovo Android phone data from SD card. The items of your Lenovo mobile phone are either stored in your phone memory or SD card. If you back up the content in the card or need to transfer what you want to, internal storage for Lenovo Mobile Recovery. Option 4. Recover data from Lenovo Mobile without backup. Do you wonder how to restore deleted or lost data from a Lenovo phone without backup? Just try the best Lenovo mobile data recovery software, Mobican Doctor for Android. This program hammers at recovering almost all your Android data. How to recover data from Lenovo Mobile with Doctor for Android. Step 1. Link Lenovo to a computer and run the program. Step 2. View and choose files you want. Step 3. Recover data from Lenovo phone without backup.